Do you say sentences like, he don't like coffee, or I am agree with you? These are wrong. Many English learners make these small grammar mistakes every day. In this video, I will show you 10 common mistakes. I will tell you what is wrong and what is correct. Let's start. Mistake 1. Don't say, he don't. Wrong, he don't like coffee. Correct, he doesn't like coffee. Say this, don't use, don't, with he, she, or it. Use, doesn't. Mistake 2. Don't say, she are. Wrong, she are my friend. Correct, she is my friend. Say this, use, is, with he, she, and it. Use, are, with you, we, and they. Mistake 3. Don't say, I am agree. Wrong, I am agree with you. Correct, I agree with you. Say this, never use, am, with agree. Just say, I agree. Mistake 4. Don't say, she have. Wrong, she have 2 brothers. Correct, she has 2 brothers. Say this, he, she, it use, has, I, you, we, they use, have. Mistake 5. Don't mix, since, and, for. Wrong, I live here since 2 years. Correct, I have lived here for 2 years. Correct, I have lived here since 2023. Say this, use, for, with a time period. Use, since, with a starting time. Mistake 6. Don't use present tense for yesterday. Wrong, yesterday I go to the market. Correct, yesterday I went to the market. Say this, if you talk about yesterday always use past tense. Mistake 7. Don't use double negatives. Wrong, I don't know nothing. Correct, I don't know anything. Say this, use only one negative word in a sentence. Mistake 8. Don't say, much friends. Wrong, I have much friends. Correct, I have many friends. Say this, much equals uncountable things. Many equals countable things. Mistake 9. Don't mix, very, and, too. Wrong, the tea is too hot. I like it. Correct, the tea is very hot. I like it. Say this, too means more than needed. Very means a lot, but okay. Mistake 10. Don't confuse, there, there. Wrong, there is a book on the table. Correct, there is a book on the table. Say this. There equals belongs to them. Example, their house. There equals a place. Example, there is a park. There equals they are. Example, they're happy. These are 10 grammar mistakes you must stop making. Practice every day and speak correct English. Which mistake did you make before? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.